Ta-da!
Say hi, little squanchy egg.
And you see the
That-
normal egg.
Hi guys, my name is Krishna and my daddy Pipoy. We're gonna do the experiments challenge
Today we're gonna do a science experiments challenge.
with my daddy. And then we have all the things in there so we can do it. And
So
then
today we'll do science experiments with Ishna. Today we will try science experiments which we found in YouTube. So let's go guys!
guys,
On our first experiment,
and
we're gonna need
need
a Ziploc
and a water
and the water
and a coloring pen.
and a coloring pen.
A lot of coloring pen. There you
I
go.
just found it in YouTube, so we will try. Let's see how confused what will happen. If it's true or not. First you have to fill this with water.
That's enough. I think it's not gonna work.
Let's
Ay!
close it. That's it.
That's it.
Now we can start the experiment. First,
We will need
use your
a
pen. Careful. It's filling. It's not filling.
your turn, Daddy.
No, it's my turn. I'll use black color.
I'm gonna use brown after you. Ooh, it works.
Works.
Now I'm gonna try the brown ones. I want to try this pen.
Look,
It's fell. Spill.
look mo. More.
This is the green one is already wet. Ah! My turn. I want to start here.
Ta-da!
There's a lot of pen in there. I'm gonna
It
try.
works. So we have big thumbs up. This is magical.
Very big.
Ta-da!
It's a
No
little
leaks
bit.
at all.
It's a little bit wetting, guys.
So done. You can now remove it. Ready? Get set.
Go. I start with this.
Now it's full of hole.
Very, very full. This is delicious.
Let's see the holes.
It works. It actually works.
Okay, now we will do another one.
The egg
The egg
challenge
For our next challenge,
is the egg.
we will need some white vinegar,
And then glass
a glass,
and
finally-
piece of egg.
1 piece egg.
Stink a little bit.
All you have to do is
Put some vinegar.
first put this egg. First put the egg Then
Just be
add
careful, you
Spill it.
might get spill. Ooh. Ooh, the vinegar.
some vinegar.
The vinegar smells bad.
Make sure
It smells
the
bad.
whole egg is under the vinegar.
Is guys smell bad? Smell bad, right, Dad?
Now,
Ah, smell bad.
you can see the vinegar is already put in. Now, we have to wait for 2 days.
Yeah.
We have to wait for 2 days to make it
When
squishy.
you do this, is
Now we have to wait for 2 days.
yeah.
And let's see what will happen. We'll keep this for 2 days. So 2 days is over, guys. We have to check what happened to our egg.
Yeah. It's just there.
See, what is it now? Here's the egg. So let's see what will happen. Are you excited, Dishna?
Yeah.
I'll go. Let's go here. We'll see now what happens. Okay, guys, as you can see, now this is the egg. It became bigger
Yeah.
compared to this small egg. See? You can see the difference.
It turned like a sugar.
Turns
Big.
bigger than a normal egg. See? Wow.
How they turn it so big?
And on the top, you will see there's a lot of bubbles. Now we have to put this in the running water and clean the
Egg.
egg. So now let's start to wash the egg.
Yes.
Come here now. Let's see. We have to throw the vinegar.
You can guys see that?
You have to pour it down and we have to clean it. Now you can see what is the difference of two egg. Regular egg
And the
is
bigger egg.
smaller. Now this is 2 days in white vinegar. It's huge.
Can you squish it or squishy?
Let's clean it first.
Oh, Daddy, what are you doing? Jingle bell, jingle bell fun.
Okay, guys, we will see. Now the egg is here. Ta-da!
Say hi, little squanchy egg.
And you see the
Dad.
normal egg. It's different. It's like sun and the moon.
Yeah.
So we will start squishing it.
Can
But
I
first,
try?
let's see what is inside.
What's
Now I got the
inside?
flashlight. Let's see what is inside.
It's
What's
amazing.
that? It's an embryo.
Daddy, what is moving?
Because I'm moving the flashlight. Let's look closer.
That's nice.
Okay, now let's start squishing. I'll give to Ishna. Then she will do the squishy egg. Okay? Hold it, Ishna. Hold on, huh? It's bouncy. Then
It's nice, guys.
now you can squeeze it hard.
You do.
Ta-da! That's it for today, guys.
I hope you like
this video.
If you like our video, please subscribe.
And comment below what challenge you want us to do.
Just comment right here.
Peace out.